Y'all look at this. This is the river that runs by our house. Y'all look at that.
Y'all want to see how fast the water's going? Check this shit out. This river runs by our house.
Y'all look at here.
That's the runoff that can't catch it all. This is crazy, man.
There's a boat that somebody tied off behind our house where the river runs by, and it is well underwater.
Hey.
What?
Let's go on up.
Alright. Y'all, see y'all in just a minute. We gonna go back up and show y'all some more. Y'all look at this.
Fucking chickens getting baptized today.
Ain't they though?
Look at this.
Y'all look at this.
That's normally about 2 foot across.
Now it's almost up to the bank of the hill. Y'all look at here. There is literally stuff strung out from this water from pillar to post. Y'all look at that.
We're gonna turn around right over here. We make sure we ain't gonna get our ass ran the fuck over.
Alright. Then what?
Back toward the house.
Y'all look at that. Oh yeah, I had to break out the old poncho just for this purpose. Y'all look at that over there. There is stuff strung out from this water from pillar to post.
This is the road coming in toward my house. Look at all the water running off down the road. Debris all in the road and shit.
Like I say, y'all look at that. That right there is probably about, what would you say, about maybe 2 feet?
Normally,
About
30 foot now, 60.
Yeah.
About 60 foot in some places.
Yeah. There is water and debris from pillar
Everywhere.
to post. Y'all look at that.
The fella that lives right there got some chickens.
Yeah.
Them somebody's getting baptized today.
Yeah, chicken getting baptized right now.
Look how far the water's come up. Your tree limbs is normally about 8 foot out of the water.
Not today.
No, sir.
Look at that.
Coming down in banks.
Yeah. Hold on just a minute. Y'all look at here.
This right here. Coming, I know the lady that lives in that house up there. Look at the water coming across. Coming down that hill.
Yeah. And it's running all the way down there.
It's running all up in this man's shop. You know, I kind of thought them folks was crazy for living up there, but now I'm starting to wonder. They might have been on to something.
Yeah. Y'all look at that right there. Y'all have a good one. We gonna go back inside where it's dry. And before I end this video right here, y'all look at this. Usually, that creek is just a little stream of water.
About 10 foot across that you can walk.
Not no more. Well, not today. And usually, there's a boat that somebody wrecked and tied off right there. And as y'all can see, that boat is well underwater. There's water coming up on the hill. So,
We got problems.
we got problems.
We got a lot of problems.
Yeah. And there is no end to the rain.